I used to want to save the world, this beautiful place, but I knew so little then. It is a land of magic and wonder worth cherishing in every way. But the closer you get, the more you see the great darkness shimmering within. And mankind is another story altogether. What one does when faced with the truth is more difficult than you think. I learned this the hard way a long, long time ago. And now I will never be the same. I used to want to save the world, to end war and bring peace to mankind, but then I glimpsed the darkness that lives within their light. I learned that inside every one of them there will always be both. The choice each must make for themselves, something no hero will ever defeat. And now I know that only love can truly save the world. So now I stay, I fight, and I give for the world I know can be. This is my mission now.